Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute fall directional sign. For the materials, you'll need this directional sign from Target, vinyl, 3 paint colors, paintbrushes, and a Cricut. First, cut out the words with your Cricut. Then paint each of the directions on the sign a different color. Let it dry. Then peel off the backing on the vinyl and stick them on the sign, making sure to peel off the transfer tape. And that's it! This was so easy to make and it really adds to our fall porch decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.